how you can upload a YouTube short from your PC or laptop. Guys, the steps of uploading a YouTube short is just like a normal YouTube video. It's just that while you are editing your video, just select the aspect ratio of YouTube short size. That's it. Everything is same. Make sure you are logging into your account. Then simply just click on create. Then find your file. I have saved somewhere here, so yeah, this one. Click on open, next. Yeah, so put your title here, and for the sake of this video I'll just copy this title and paste it in description. Put relevant hashtags. Put relevant tags here. Then yeah, then you can select next. You can add a related video if you have. Next, no copyright issues. Yeah, then you can just select public and hit on next, so your video will be live. Yeah guys, it is uploaded successfully. So guys, this is how you can upload a YouTube shorts from your PC or laptop. Thank you.